Proper puck prep is essential to a good extraction. Now, our goal when producing a handle of coffee is to have even density through layers and a flat surface to tamp on. Now, by making that coffee even before tamping is what we call distribution. And if we don't do so properly, there'll be weak areas of the puck that the pressurized water in the machine will take advantage of, crack open, and cause what we call a channel, which is the enemy of good coffee. Nowadays, there's a trend of very complicated methods of puck prep or distribution. These often require multiple steps, multiple tools, and even individual skill to pull off. But in the cafe, we don't have time for multiple methods of distribution, transferring coffee between different containers, or complicated tools that require perfect alignment of fragile components or skills to get the right result. Now, this is why the NCD Pulse is such an important innovation. Now, the NCD Pulse is based off the original NCD design that began the distribution tool segment and has been the benchmark for nearly 10 years. Now, the NCD tool has 4 different propellers, which almost acts as 4 carefully placed fingers, providing perfect horizontal distribution and a small amount of compression to give us a good extraction in the basket. But this year, Nucleus Coffee Tools has taken the NCD to a new level with the inclusion of its Pulse technology. Now, the NCD Pulse has built-in electronics that will build upon that horizontal distribution to improve also vertical distribution inside the basket, removing air pockets and giving much more even density through all layers of the puck. Often with distribution side by sides, it will take a trained taster to be able to reliably pick a method in the taste every single time. But with the NCD Pulse, when we found the right level of vibration and combination of that with contact time and design of the propeller, the difference was so big that it was almost impossible to ignore that difference. Now, the best part of this is it's really practical. I'd recommend starting off with a set on the higher intensity, marked by the 2 dots on the left side of the device. Now, underneath, you can choose the height or depth that the propeller is going to go into the basket. I would have this set as low or shallow as possible to create a flat surface without having any holes there left in the puck. So you can experiment this by distributing and checking to make sure it's hit and covered all sections of that coffee bed. Now, once that's set, nice and light, you have your intensity of vibration set. You simply remove it from the dock. It'll automatically start the pulses. Insert, spin 3 times, and add straight back to the dock to stop that vibration. Now, this puck is completely flat, totally even, and ready to be tamped for that perfect extraction.